Good morning, Unique Closers. I am Aaron. I am confident, well organized, and prepared. My life verse for today: do your best and God will do the rest. Hindi ko alam kung sino na gano'n. Ang dami kasing madawking. Yeah. So, my recent wins in the last 48 hours, first, is nakasamba na ako ng umaga, okay? And then second, nakasubmit ako ng 2 videos kahapon para sa routine, daily and evening. Tinatamad pa ako, kaso nung nakita ko nagsubmit si Miss Anne at si Nick. So, ayun, nainggaya na rin ako. And my commitment for today is finish the FNA Happy Retirement Concept Presentation at mag-body meeting with Miss Cherry. Yan. And start a few tasks as well dun sa binigay sa akin. Also, umattend ng Unique Closers Challenge meeting lang yan. So, medyo malilate lang ako, pero nakapagpa-abiso naman na ako. I am grateful because gumising ako ngayon ng maaga, kaya makapag-start ako ng maaga. The support that I will give to the world today is sharpen the saw. So, mostly na activity mo ngayon is training, pero isisingit ko pa rin yung mapagsagot ng mga inquiries. And I am a Unique Closer because naka-follow ako today. So, ayan. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. And see you sa aking evening routine. Bye-bye!